Now, as I'm doing this video right now, the NEO stock price is down 5.6%, trading at $4.46. Some of the new investors are worried that the stock will never recover, but looking at the current fundamentals that we've been witnessing onto NEO, there is no doubt that you and me can agree that NEO is a company that is growing. I mean, we just reported, or we saw NEO reporting record-breaking deliveries, 20,544 deliveries, record-breaking monthly deliveries, but yet the stock price is trembling. But yes, I know that the earnings that we received just last week were sort of like mixed. They were good and bad stuff, but overall we see that the worst, when you look into the NEO stock, probably it's behind us, and what's ahead, ladies and gents, it's really good stuff. This is one thing that we've been seeing also analysts or big financial institutions coming and reiterating buy ratings, saying that the future is looking so bright for NEO. I mean, I did a video today about big financial institutions that say that they foresee NEO selling somewhere between 25 and 30,000 vehicles on a monthly basis next year, which is something that is pretty exciting. And from the two brands, namely NEO and Onvo, from those two brands they see 25 to 30, and you will remember that next year there's still Firefly coming, which will make even the deliveries to be much better than that. So with all these future prospects, NEO, ladies and gents, is down 5%. I mean, this stock this month, ladies and gents, there is a very good possibility that we see yet another monthly record, meaning more deliveries, or at least over 20,544 deliveries, which are the deliveries they reported in May, which that again, I think it should count for something. You will know that if NEO is to deliver any number over 19,268 now in June, that will be a new quarterly record, because the current quarterly record that NEO is currently sitting at came at Q3 of 2023, and this is where we saw NEO delivering 55,432 deliveries for that quarter, or for quarter 3 of 2023. So any number over this, ladies and gents, it will mean good news for NEO. This is the most that NEO has delivered in a quarter, which therefore we can easily populate from the 2 months that we've received deliveries. That is the 15,620 deliveries that we received in April, or 20,544 or that we received in June. We can therefore minus or subtract from the 55,432 and get the number that NEO needs to deliver to beat their quarterly record. And that number, ladies and gents, it's 19,269. So if NEO can deliver anything from 19,269, that will be a quarterly record. And from the NEO guidance, ladies and gents, you'll know that they guided that they will deliver somewhere between 54 and 56,000 deliveries for Q2, which therefore means that there is a possibility that NEO could easily thresh this record. I look forward NEO beating this record, because as I've been saying, I still stand by saying NEO will deliver record-breaking deliveries now in June. You will know that the NEO CEO, NEO Vice President, and so many other people have confirmed that NEO's demand is very solid. NEO cars are really on demand, and NEO's current production capacity is not able to meet the demand or the kind of orders that NEO is receiving, which therefore it means that, ladies and gents, we are in it for yet another record, because if NEO was able to deliver 20,544 deliveries with 3 holidays for the month of May, now we only have 1 holiday, which happened yesterday, now in June, which therefore means that we've got like a couple of days, 2 more days, where we can see NEO delivering or selling vehicles as per the usual, which is something that I think that should count for something. And it is for that reason, or it's one of the reasons, that I believe that we are in it for a new record this month. The insurance registration, as I've said in the previous video, they were supposed to come today and they are coming tomorrow, and those registrations, ladies and gents, will be a first sign if whether NEO is in it this month for new record or not. I think any number over 4,000 should be acceptable, and it should mean that NEO is on the road to over 20,000 deliveries, whereas any number below might not be that good, because then it will make NEO to have to work much harder to get to the over 20,000 deliveries this month. So yeah, man, we look forward, I look forward to the deliveries, but personally I think NEO, they will easily achieve these 19,269 deliveries to achieve the quarterly record, or to break their existing quarterly record of around 55,432 they saw last year in Q3. Otherwise, the stock price, I know that it's trading very low towards the 52-week lows, though we're seeing this good news, good things coming out of NEO. But all I can say, which is not financial advice, personally, whenever I can, I'll continue loading, because I know blue sky is coming. So do your own due diligence and evaluate if whether you should take this, of course, low trading price as opportunity to load the boat, or if you should just keep whatever you are keeping if you're already on the NEO stock, and just watch and how the share price plays out. But as for me, but the more it drops is the more I'll try to load. If I can't, I will just also be watching, but whenever I can, I will be loading the boat, because I know for sure that blue sky is coming, and next year there will be months that will easily deliver 40,000 deliveries with Onvo plus Firefly. I know that is going to happen, and when that happens, guess what? Break even will be imminent, which is something that I look forward to. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.